In this video, we are talking about how we can make brick textures in Blender. Like this, you can see. Okay, you can see in this pictures, this one and this types. Okay, now you understand. This types. So let's start video without wasting any time. Open Blender. I already make a scene. I added a IQ sphere and subdivision. Add a subdivision like this. Okay. First, we should add a brick texture. Shift plus A. Screencast key. You can see whenever I press any key, you can see here. Shift A. Add a brick texture. Generate UV map plus add tab. Select all. Press U. Then sphere projection. Press Ctrl plus T. Add mapping and texture coordinates. We use UV generated coordinates. You can see our tiles are fixed. Tiling are fixed. Press tab. Increase scaling brick texture. I like 7 and decrease bricks width. I like this. Okay. You can choose whatever you color. Previously I show in this picture I make white and gray and red one. Right now I choose orange and red. And this mortar should be grayish like this. No, like this. Okay. Then we need a bump. To shift plus A, add bump node factor to high, normal. Increase distance. You can see our mortars are outside, not inside. So click inward. This will be go inside. And I also decrease mortar size 1.50. Now I think this is good. Okay. And we need displacement too. Shift plus A, displacement node factor height. This should be go displacement. You can see here changes because I already did this. You need to change the setting. Go to material settings and surface on choose displacement and bump. You can see our mortars again outside, not inside. medieval mid level is 0, and we should add color, invert color option node, and this will be fix our mortar. We need smooth our mortars, like you can see there are many edges are up down. Mortar smoothness. Now I think this will be good. Okay, 0.300.3. We need this brick will, you can see this is so flat. We need another bumpy textures. So we should add noise texture again. Textures, noise textures. Put here. Use vector to vector. Shift A. Add mix color. Vector to vector. In this one, which texture should go A, and this is color be to dark side, and duplicate this bump node again, and noise texture factor should go height map. We'll go height map. Okay, you can see our noise texture effect like this one is black effects. I scaling little bit more, like 10. You see something bumpiness here, or our this invert options, and detail should go 15. Now you can see. Let's increase more. I like this one. Change the scale a little bit to gray. Okay, you can change here scale setting, noise texture. You want more bumpy or not, you can change here like this. I think I should go with 10. You can change as you want. This is good. We need another texture. You can see previously, like we had a brick is like should this type of texture. We should add another noise texture. You can see. So add, duplicate this noise texture, plus T again. Okay, and duplicate this two, shift plus T. Okay, factor to factor. A to A. This one should go best color. This one we go full light. You can see add vector again, and we should add color ramp, because we don't want a full texture like this. We want specific areas. So color ramp. Now you can see Here we need scale this texture to more small parts, so this is not down side, more down. I think this is good. 23. You can stay. Add another bump node. Duplicate this bump node. Shift plus D. And this color, this vector should be hide. No, this color should be hide. Now you can see here is the textures. Add if invert option. And distance, increase distance value. Change color to should use this color value and increase to gray, white, and close distance to. I think I should decrease more value mortar size to, because this is 2. So I use only 1. This is good. Our you can see our brick is good. Done. You can add more specific things, like you can add, I previously show green textures like fungus and other things. Okay, and you can change colors too, like this. I want to change this to grayish white. You can see here this looks good right now. Okay, and this go to like this brownish darkish side. See, this is the change. Oh, one thing I forgot, we should add roughness touch color again. We can control so roughness map. This is going to this vector, this color going to roughness. Should go change roughness to so messy right now, but you can go again. Change colors again to like this, and this one to this again. Okay, you can change anything as you want. Our tutorial is finished. I can show a image, render image. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and support me. I'm not now you can see this is our final render. You can change anything you want. I'll show the process how you can do it. Okay, thanks for watching.